So now we're hitting geometry. And when you are taking the state exam, you will be given the equations. So we will have reviewed where you find those equations. Then once you do this, you have to know how to use the equations. So right now, I will give you the equation for the volume of a cone. Remember, it's pi r squared h divided by 3, or 1/3 pi r squared h. And we do not need the volume of anything else but a cone because we're comparing ice cream cones. So the smaller ice cream cone is 3.5 inches tall. So that's its height. And it has a diameter, remember that's all the way across, of 3 inches. The larger cone is 5.1 inches tall. And it has a diameter of 4.5 inches. So we have to compare them. And so in order to do the comparing, we have to find the volume of both. So to find the volume, we are going to plug in volume equals pi. Your radius is half your diameter. So if your diameter is 3, your radius is 1.5 squared times your height, which is 3.5, divided by 3. So notice there are no pi's in your answer. That means that you can use your 3.14 for pi. It does not tell you that, so you can just know pi is 3.14. And I'm going to use my calculator, and I'll get 1.5 squared, giving me 2.25 times 3.5, which is 7.875 times 3.14, which is 24.7275. divided by 3 gives me 8.24 approximately. I'll do that again for the second cone. So volume equals pi. 4.5, you have to cut it in half. That's the diameter. So you'll get 2.25 squared times your height, 5.1, all divided by 3. You can write each step out, or you can go straight to your calculator or your calculator tool that comes up. So 2.25 squared gives you 5.0625 times 5.1 times pi, or 3.14, gives you 81.07 divided by 3 will give you 27.02. And it says how much greater is the volume of the larger cone than the smaller cone. So here's our larger. Here's our smaller. You need to subtract. That's how much greater. So you're going to subtract your 27.02 minus your 8.24. So here, when I subtract, I end up with 18.78. So it comes up with 18.78, which is approximately 18.8.